I've been working on this app on building your strategic alliance plan. And my partner and I sat down and started going through all the things that I needed to do. And I got completely overwhelmed. And I'm curious if you have big projects that happens to you. Hi, I'm Kim Zoller, and welcome to Wednesday's Wiring. So I really took the time to think about what do I need to do? And ultimately, it is breaking things down into bite-sized tasks. It's scheduling the time. Oh, and by the way, it's actually just starting because once you start, then you're in it and you're able to create the momentum. That's what it's all about. I can tell you for me, with doing this project, it's about the momentum. It's also, by the way, taking little breaks along the way so that you can just refresh, build up that battery, and get going again. And yet, I found that if you take the break for too long, it kind of stops you. So it's finding out that little ground, that space of taking a break, mentally recharging, and then getting right back in it. And then the accomplishment, the feeling of when you're done is so incredible. I actually can't wait to share with you what we've been working on. So to be continued and coming soon.